Good morning, everyone. My name is Tejinder Singh. Today's topic would be Sprint Retrospective, which is assignment number 4. Client overview. Our client organization name is Anindra, and our client name is Dr. Venki. Engagement preferences of our client were online meetings, email communication, and face to face meetings if needed. Project outline was to provide guidance in creating and managing a software system for aged care facilities, and areas to focus were regulatory compliances, high standard of care, and addressing gaps in existing systems. Our market was Australian software market for aged care sectors, and key areas to focus were industry trends and regulatory compliances, AI integration and innovation, and market opportunities and weaknesses. Project deliverables were market research, compliance analysis, functional requirements, software requirements, investor pitch deck, market analysis, implementation roadmap, challenge implementation plan, and ROI analysis. Our product vision was to identify the most effective feature and technologies for aged care software in Australia. And the user story identified was as a founder, as a financial analyst, and as a system analyst. So, what was our agile sprint and roadmap? It is we have basically made three parts of our sprints, which had certain backlog items. As we can see in sprint number one, backlog item number one is market overview and software identification, and the second was market share analysis. Compliance and regulatory research was the third one, and the fourth one is software functionality analysis. In sprint two, emerging technologies and research, integration, feasibility, and competitive analysis, and a final report for recommendation and completion. And in sprint three, we would cover pitch deck development and a final report. So moving on to the actual document. So basically this is our Scrum. It basically shows our project outline. We created our Scrum in Jira. So as we can see, we have done our project roadmap. So it have been marked down. And moving on to sprint number one, it is still in progress as it shows in Jira right now. And this was our Gantt chart view, which continues till sprint number three. And moving on to the actual document, coordinator. So it shows the client organization as previously discussed, project outline, project products, the vision, user stories, the backlog item, which is divided equally in the sprints, deliverables, our Jira roadmap, Gantt chart as well, and milestones which would be achieved, goals. So moving towards the backlog item number one, which was assigned to me, was market overview software identification, which I have done a thorough analysis about the Australian aged care software market, and I have given my insights, which covers the key market drivers, aging population, government support regulation, funding programs, AI predictive analysis, shift towards home care, what are the market segmentations, how is market divided, cloud-based solution, and by applications, certain key trend influence in the market, cloud technology dominance, telehealth integration, and so on. And this would be our last and updated roadmap, just as each team member has already achieved. So we have completed it. Moving on to the proof of work, as I can share it with you. We have already created a folder in our drive so that each of us can submit our documents in our each of the folders. Me being Tejinder Singh, I have submitted all my documents in here, which consist of certain analysis about the aged care sector, market share, and it also has certain brochures for the softwares different softwares. It also has some reports. So moving on to the individual component, I would like to say what I have done in the previous sprint. As the market analysis I have performed for the previous part and focused on the different software solution employed highly revenue generating companies in aged care and healthcare sector. This was made possible and enabled me to field leading technologies in market. Also, I wrote a report. What was done to take advantage of stream specific knowledge to project? Since my project focuses on the aged care sector, I relied on the contacts which were playing important role in and create my tangibility connections. In addition, we also got exposure of iTech 55500 research course, which provided the basics of the research strategies. And what can be said or learned from the previous sprint was I enhanced my skill to identify resources whereby they needed to be found and how to organize them in efficient manner. Furthermore, I improved my time and teamwork sensitivity for managing clients' appointments, seeking supervisor permission, and having a teleconference and using Microsoft Teams. As this expenditure showed, proper communication is very important for the research. What could have been done to be better in the sprint? Some of the issues were observed by me was during the sprint, including some variations in the preparation of team members as well as the formulation of solutions. We could have done more better planning and prepare our work to submit it earlier, as our supervisor would have viewed and give us some recommendation on our work. Thank you, everyone. That that was my assignment.